The battle of Nigeria's two giants. One is the beating commercial heart of Africa's biggest economy. The other is the nation's seat of power. Calm, organized, and rising fast. But what really makes these two cities unique? Why do Lagosians believe their city is the center of the universe? And why do Abuja people feel like they are living in a VIP lounge? This is Abuja versus Lagos. Today we are breaking it all down. Lifestyle, cost of living, culture, opportunities, food, entertainment, infrastructure, and yes, even dating life. Stay locked in because by the end of this video, you just might change your mind about where you want to live. Smash that like button, subscribe, and let's dive into Abuja versus Lagos, the ultimate showdown. To understand why Lagos and Abuja are so different, you have to know where they came from. Lagos, once a small fishing community, exploded into a mega city because of trade, migration, and business. The city is ritually built on hustle. It is chaotic, loud, crowded, but full of opportunities. Abuja, on the other hand, did not grow accidentally. It was designed, planned, built from scratch to be Nigeria's capital city in 1991. That is why the roads are wide, the neighborhoods more organized, and the vibes, well, less stressful, at least compared to Lagos. Let's talk atmosphere, or as we call it, Nigeria vibes. Lagos is energy. Lagos is movement. Lagos is that friend who never sleeps, never chills, and always grinding. Abuja is different. Abuja is composed. Abuja is that friend who wakes up early for yoga, drinks smoothie, and still show up looking fresh. In Lagos, life happens fast. In Abuja, life happens smoothly. Now let's talk money. Lagos is the money magnet of West Africa. Every major company, tech startup, entertainment industry giants, and international brands has roots in Lagos. If you are chasing business, Lagos is like an open arena. Abuja, however, is the political and administrative powerhouse. Government jobs, NGOs, diplomatic mission, international organization, they are all here. So Lagos is where money is made, and Abuja is where money is exercised. Let's be honest, both cities are expensive, very expensive. But there is a twist. In Lagos, you pay with both money and stress, high rent, traffic wahala, and crazy competition. In Abuja, rent can be even higher, especially in places like Maitama, Asokoro, and Wuse. But the quality of life is more comfortable. So the real question is, do you want cheap stress or expensive peace? Abuja wins here easily. Wide roads, Organized layout, better traffic flow. Lagos roads are full-time battlefield. Lagos traffic can turn a 10-minute journey into how many hours? Lagosians, drop your answer in the comment section. But to Lagos credit, the city has ferry system, the BRT, and ongoing rail expansion. Abuja has smoother roads, but Lagos has more transportation options. When it comes to food, Lagos wins in variety. From the mainland buka to Banana Island restaurants. But Abuja's food is low-key elite. Suya in Abuja, different. Ask anybody. Or shall we talk about kirishi? Where Lagos wins in quantity, Abuja wins in quality and presentation. Lagos nightlife is legendary. Parties every day, concerts, festivals, clubs. Lagos is the entertainment capital of Africa. Abuja's nightlife, classy, selective, soft life, think lounges, rooftops, and luxury events. Lagos is outdoor, Abuja inside, but inside premium. Lagosians are loud, very loud, fast, and hustlers. Abuja people, calm, laid back, and sometimes too posh. Dating in Lagos is an extreme sport. Dating in Abuja, strategic. Lagos is a cultural melting pot. Yoruba roots, but full of tribes from everywhere. Abuja is even more diverse. Northerners, Southerners, foreigners, everyone blends. For all their differences, both cities share some similarities. They are both melting pots of cultures. Both attract millions looking for opportunity. Both have crazy expensive rents. Both have fast-growing tech and entertainment scene. And both are crucial to Nigeria's identity. Lagos as the economic engine, Abuja as the center of governance. So which is better, Abuja or Lagos? The answer is, it depends. If you want speed, opportunities, networking and energy, Lagos is your city. If you want peace, aesthetics, organization and premium living, Abuja is home. In the end, these two cities complement each other. Lagos drives the hustle. Abuja drives the decision. So let's settle this once and for all. Which city do you think wins this battle? Team Abuja or Team Lagos? Drop your answer in the comment section and tell us why. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more high quality content about Nigerian cities and culture. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.